Now she's gonna be mean.
I feel terrible.
I got Dixie riled up. Grumbly Dachshund, Grumbly Dachshund, Grumbly Dachshund, Grumbly, 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 Grumbly.
I'm like, this is crazy. It's not worth it. It's not worth the risk of all of us getting hurt. I'll be back.
You'll be back. So go get yourself checked out. So we don't have any problems. Okay, I'll see you in a little bit.
Bye, babe.
Bye. Mom is concerned that she hurt herself. I feel terrible because I obviously don't want anything else.
Go get it. Her plum riled up. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. Go get it. Hurry, Pete. Hurry. Hurry, Pete. Hurry. Get the Dixie. Get the Dixie.
That Sean is calling off
Yeah.
the competition.
Oh, you're supposed to play with her, Pete.
I thought that it was
Hi, good girl.
that we weren't going to play anymore and have a roller skating disco party. But I got you honestly all day. I was glad you
Give me that.
gentlemen, probably one of the men ever.
Give me. Let go.
It was such a stress relief just to have fun and skate around.
You're going backwards and looking at me.
Give me it. Give me. Give me. Give me.
I can't wait to take this ridiculous helmet off and this ridiculous outfit off and get dressed up tonight and see what's gonna happen.
Give me a toy. How are we supposed to play if you won't share?
Me too.
Today was a huge challenge for me, and I think it's probably one of the more difficult days of my life, to be honest. But
Trying to get it fixed. You let go. He's not letting go.
I know today was rough. I don't think
The puppy that won't let go. Give me that. Grumbles.
Spend time with me and not worry about cracking their jaw. Here's to everyone embracing today's date, and here's to what I hope will be an even better.
Let go.
Cheers.
I want to feel closer to Sean.
Give me it.
When I have
Give me
all
it.
these girls
Give me it.
in the way of
If I could
that,
throw it.
I just
He won't play.
I lose my mind.
Coming up.
I'm not gonna let another girl stop me. I want that rose. You okay?
Pretty girl. Pretty
I
Dixie.
don't trust anybody here. I want to leave. Wow. Where's Sean? I just don't like the girls. Tiara
Go
is
ahead.
really sneaky. I can't take the fakeness. She's like a plague of bad energy. I can't support you like this. It's such. Go Olive Garden's 30-course Italian dinner. It's back for just $12.95, featuring 5 delicious new entrees to choose from. Go creamy and dig into rich new penne de mare with shrimp, or maybe go crunchy with new Parmesan potato-crusted chicken. Served with
Dixie.
unlimited fresh salad and warm breadsticks. Finish with a decadent dessert. 3 courses, just $12.95. Go tonight. Go Olive Garden. And try our unlimited homemade soup, crisp salad, and warm breadsticks lunch to $6.95.
He won't let go. Growling. You got the nerve to growl, you little pipsqueak. Dix, he won't let go.
Get it, Nick. Get it.
Look at that.
Kristen, she can't control herself around chocolate. She'll devour you.
Really?
I'd be a terrible friend if I didn't warn you.
Nick's a good dude.
Yeah, thanks for introducing us.
Okay. Nick's ain't gonna run.
She's
afraid she'll lose an ounce if she runs.
Oh no. Oh no.
Precision. At LensCrafters, we call it accurate. A digital scanning system 5 times more precise, helping you see perfectly. That's precision.
Quit sitting there looking at me.
LensCrafters.
Look at Petey, look at him.
You're refusing to let go. Ow!
I am so honored to say a few words about the lovely cat.
I think I got it that
I
time.
mean the
I
couple.
think I got it. Maybe not.
He looks so delicious. In love.
Go, Dix.
2 more years. Do we know her?
Diet Pepsi. Love every
You guys are being
Right over here, lay down.
evil to each other.
Samsung Galaxy 2 from Straight Talk Wireless. We'll get the same great nationwide coverage for half the cost. Let's see if he notices. Same phones, same numbers, half the cost.
Get her. Get her, Pete.
Oh, dirt, she's gonna run that.
Go ahead. He still beat her.
He's quicker than you are, Dixie.